Okay, so I just finished the RAM upgrade in my Halo Edition Xbox here. Um, so you can see here on the TV screen, in the left corner there, it's got the free memory to show you. Or here you can see it, free memory 94 megabytes. So it's picking up the extra memory, so 128 megabytes. I'm going to show you accessing the extra 64 megabytes and without the Xbox freezing. This is a problem I had before, but now I've seemed to get around that. So I'm going to use Surreal 64 to show you. So here we'll use this game. I already did this. What I did is I changed the max video memory. I set it to auto, and I upped the Dynarect memory and paging memory to from 4 megabytes to 10 megabytes, just so that it would go past that initial 64 megabytes. So let's launch the game. Turn on the debug info. So now it's dropped to 63, so it's actually using some of that extra memory already and not freezing. Now it's dropped down to 62, it's using more of the extra memory. At 61. So the extra memory is mostly good for emulators, not so much streaming video and playing different video, but it might help a bit. But for emulators it'll definitely help. This game could probably run on 64 megabytes, but there's other games and emulators that will definitely benefit from the extra RAM. So yeah, it's down to 60 now. It's still working fine, so that's it.